Hello everyone, welcome back to sriaathmayoga. Today we are going to learn Utkatasana. Stand in Tadasana. Keep your feet together. Inhale, stretch the hands up, palms facing each other. Exhale, bend the knees. Knees must not cross the toes and all your body weight should be on the heels to avoid pressure on the knees. Your hands and spine should be in one straight line. Now inhale and straighten your knees. Exhale and come back to Tadasana. Benefits of Utkatasana: strengthens thighs, knees, calves, ankles and spine. Improves digestion, reduces flat feet, stimulates diaphragm and heart. Practice SAYmethod for good results. In Utkatasana, close your eyes and give gentle attention to your thighs and stay in the pose for 5 counts. Then give gentle attention to your spine and stay in the pose for 5 counts. Then focus your attention on knees, calves and ankles and stay in the pose for 5 counts. By focusing our attention on a particular region, blood flow, heat, oxygen level, 7 tissues and flow of our thoughts are stabilized and blockages in those regions are removed. Today we have learned Utkatasana. Please do like the video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Thank you.